Hey, so good morning, everyone. I was going to do a video on my post-op and things I've learned so far. It's been 9-ish days, something like that. But I think that's been overdone. I watched a bunch of videos on YouTube, and people were talking about what they've had to do and to make things happen. Luckily, I have a great support team with my wife, Litzy, and Adrian's really stepped it up too to help whenever needed. This has been a growing thing for all of us, I guess. So I am not sure, but I think I either had a doctor with blessed hands, I've been living right, or the good Lord just likes me, because after this surgery, which was a torn supraspinatus and a partially torn infraspinatus, and a surgery that, what I was told, normally takes about 45 minutes to an hour, took 3.5 hours for them to reconstruct everything in there. So there's a lot of work in my shoulder, and I've had no pain. I have had no pain. The first night I did as the doctor said, and I took my Percocet. I took my opiate one time. It didn't make me tired. I couldn't even sleep that night. I expected it to at least make me tired. Well, anyway, a couple of nights later, I thought I was starting to feel, as the nerve block wore off, I thought I was starting to feel a little pain in my shoulder, so I took, again, a Percocet, and then I took one 4 hours later at about 10 o'clock before I went to bed. Nothing. It wasn't really pain, I guess, and the stuff didn't make me get tired or anything. Wonder how people get hooked on this stuff, because it just does nothing. Well, anyway, to make a long story short, I'm out for a little morning walk while the family is all still sleeping, probably till 9 or 10ish, whoever knows. They love to sleep in. I'm not an in sleeper, I suppose. Always up around 5ish. But anyway, thank you for all your thoughts and prayers. And if anybody else has this surgery, I hope it goes as well as mine did. I do have 6 little holes in my shoulder. The stitches are out, so I can shower normally now. And I say normally, my arm is in this sling for 6 weeks, and I am not supposed to use my shoulder except for passively when I start physical therapy this week. But that's kind of where I'm at with this. I had certainly planned for the worst. I was really, really worried about the pain. And with no pain, now, I can't drive. It's one of my doctor's orders. On June 20th, I go back to the doctor, and hopefully he'll lift my no driving thing. But if not, I've got a good friend that's lives right here in my neighborhood that works with me, luckily. So I will be riding with her, and we'll get to know each other for sure, even though we've worked together for 3 or 4 years. But anyway, well, you all have a great day, and talk to you later. Bye.